We are right on a Syrian-Turkish border. This border crossing saw a lot of refugees coming through. At the moment it's closed and open only for severely injured people. Turkish authorities are worried about the attacks of ISIS and therefore the border is closed. However, I have to say that the border between Turkey and Syria is more than 400 kilometers, and from the Syrian side it's controlled by different fighting groups. It's not only ISIS, we're talking about Jamaat al-Nusra, the opposition group which is fighting ISIS, as well as Syrian army, the Free Syrian Army, so-called revolutionists, and Syrian regular army. So you can imagine how tense the situation is. This Turkish town has accepted more than 100,000 Syrian refugees. Basically, the town is accommodated to take them through. There are 2 hospitals, there are a school for Syrian children, there are facilities to accommodate them, but it's obvious that this town cannot take any more. Today, when I was speaking to Syrian refugees, none of them was fleeing from ISIS. All of them were fleeing from the atrocities of Syrian army. This woman is from the town of Aleppo. 4 months ago, in front of her, and in front of the eyes of her daughter, who is 12 years old, her husband was shot dead on the spot, as well as her father and a few other male members of the family. She herself was badly injured on the knee, and the daughter, the bullet got into her spine, and she's totally paralyzed now. The miracle is that they managed to escape, and the Turkish authorities opened the border for them. They got the medical help, but what is going to happen to them later, nobody knows. They would like to stay in Turkey, they would like to go to Europe, but basically they all want to go home.